Good morning, Professor Teodulo Castillo. In this video, I will have to explain my conclusion about the laboratory number 1 and number 2. The topics was test equipment programming and use of schematical wiring practice manual and the wiring diagram. To start, my conclusion about the topic 1 is that the difference between the oscilloscope and the multimeter is very important. That with the multimeter you can get the resistance, voltage, current of any equipment. Is very important this use. But with the oscilloscope you can get all information that show the multimeter. And also with the oscilloscope you can see the form of the wave, um, when or when is the transmission of this signal. um, for them you can analyze the performance correctly of any equipment. Then you can see the form of the wave. um, you can you can get you can get the frequency, the voltage, the period. It's very important to solve any problem that you must the functional about this instrument. Then the function generator is very important. Very important that you that with this you can change the form of the wave. You can change in square and to analyze to solve any transmission of tones, or if the signal is interrupt, or very or the transmission is very slow. I don't know. It's very important to use this instrument. Then about the next topic, my conclusion is that this equipment, the test bench, is very important to analyze the system BOR. So to use this test bench, it's very important to know five information. For example, this control is to change the carrier, um, the signal carrier. This if you change this control, you can see the information in this display. Then this this control is to the signal variable, and then this control is the signal subcarrier. It's very important this all information change to use this instrument. Then the you can put in automatic or manual. Then you can you you can put the power the power correct to function this instrument. Then the the next signal is the signal reference, and the next signal is the identification tone. It's very important. It's very important that you know this information to use this test bench. Then About next topics, my conclusion is that to first the, to find any information about any any aircraft, you can find, no, you must find in the front matter. In the front matter, you can get the model series and number register of a specific aircraft. But this information that give operator is very important. It's very important the effectivity code. It's very important when you use any manual. Next, to find this information in the manual, you can you must you must know the block of page to find firstly any information. For example, mobile installation, you can get this information in the page, in this page, or troubleshooting in this page. The next topic was the difference between the standard wiring manual and the wiring manual. To these topics, in the manual about this aircraft, the Airbus, the times is air data inertial references is one example. In the schematical manual, you can see all components that is conform this system. For example, in this case is the Avirus. You you will see three Adirus and computers, different computer. For example, the flight management guiding computer, or the flight warning computer, the fuel control unit, or I don't know. Is different system that is conform this system, but in the in the wiring diagram is the specific connection about this system. For example, this system is the sensor of navigation, the power supply, the data of the Adiru. In this case, you see the connection. In this connection, or you will see maybe a circuit breaker, or maybe a relay, or diodes, and you can see the pin, when is the connection. It's very important to use, if you understand the schematical wiring, then you it's you use the wiring diagram. Well, it's all for my video.